Welcome. Another quick example of Claude, how my life improved with his help, his guidance, his assistance. This is the only thing I need to know right now. Can we add a key binding to all twms that do not have it yet? In Sexy Hotkey Daemon, Ctrl-Alt-D launches OBS. That's it. And I sit back and I wait. That means 7 tiling window managers. He's going to go over all of them. The only thing I'm doing these days is enter, enter, waiting and enter. There is a shift tab, except edits on. That can be maybe be faster. So shift tab, plan on, right? And of course we check. So chat WM, all right. What we did not say, if it conflicts, tell me, but we don't have to say that. He tells us. Now I was a bit quick with the enters there in the beginning. So the beginning was BSPWM. Okay. So I wonder, chat WM. Okay. All the rest have it. Okay. Does Awesome have it? Qtile, I've been on it, so that might be true. We have created a new theme there based on a distro tube. Beautiful theme. So much happier with that theme than the old neutral polybar. Okay. Show me the binding in Awesome. It's okay if it's in there, right? But as long as it's in there for OBS, that's okay. I could, of course, go to the file and have a look and do a search. But this is the world now, right? And it would be faster. No OBS binding in Awesome. No. Yes, but why didn't he say something? That's the question, right? Sometimes, well, you need to be attentive how to say. Then we read. Okay, mod alt D. All right, that's correct. Done. Do a second check. This time with the Sexy Hotkey Daemon, right? Plus native key bindings, that's how he calls it. Do all DVMs have this key binding for OBS. And the 4 words to remember are your role, the task, the context, the format. Nice table, please. A green OK, a tick to show it's there. Anything goes. This is a better prompt, right? So prompt engineering, we need to get better at it. Simple as that. Think, and think again, and rethink it. We'll get there. If we get it in one go, it will be saving money, right? If we need to do it in 3 times as much money. This is I3, okay? So this is a key binding from the native key binding, and console one access, okay. All right, yes. I think we're already 4 or 5. Here is my table. Added this session, added this session, added this session, already present, added this session, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, check, done. Short video, how my work looks like. Cheers.